Hello friends, welcome to this video session. Now I am going to discuss about which are the main contributing factors in supply chain excellence. As you know, our focus is developing a digital supply chain and what are the various factors or parameters or which are going to drive the success into this digital supply chain. So let's look at it in the next page, which are those factors are there. I'm just briefly writing down the definition of these various contributing factors. So the first factor is when we say it's a digital supply chain, what we are going to do is actually taking up a raw material which is going to get converted into manufacturing process, and finally that is going to get a distributor to customers using various technologies, which really satisfy all the stakeholders to optimize the profits. That's what is our business game or business challenge or business goal. So digital supply chain is a contributing factor into whole process. This whole process is further getting distributed into the various other small areas where every factor is contributing to the success of this supply chain. The first one is, of course, the supplier. Supplier is basically a party or a team or an individual or a company which is providing the materials or the goods or the services which are really required to develop a product, manufacture a product, which is as per the expectations or the requirements of a customer. So this definition is quite a simple one. When you look at it, the process of procuring the material, working it out the requirement, placing up a purchase order, doing the follow-up, getting the material delivered, checking the material for its quality and quantity in time, in deliveries, and then taking it that to the manufacturing system. So it's a number of processes are involved over there. So the supplier also is a main contributor into your process. And then the material and its quality and its price plays a very crucial role into whole supply chain excellence. The next one is the distribution, because distribution is directly connected with the customer. Customer is connected with the distributor and he's placing the order with the distributor, and distributor is delivering the product in time, in quality, at agreed price, and customer is getting a good support from the ecosystem of through the distributor and the transporters and all that. So distributor is a main agency between the customers and manufacturer. So distributor plays a quite important role. The third factor which I thought about over here is maintaining the inventory. Customer is expecting a particular product delivery based on to his purchase order, and distributor should really monitor the required product quantity is always available into the inventory. But distributor is not the just final authority to going to give that, because it's a supply chain. Distributor must get a product and a quantity from the manufacturer. Manufacturer will make it if the sufficient material from the supplier is available. So it's a delivery going from material to manufacturing to warehouse to the supplier. So inventory across the digital supply chain needs to be monitored and needs to be maintained. So this is where the inventory visibility plays a very important crucial role, and this is what I'm discussing about the visibility part of it. Whether it's a material, whether it's a in-process materials, whether it's a finished product, whether it's a product stored into your warehouse, or it has gone to a distributor or gone to a customer. The whole process visibility about the inventory movement or the product movement or the batch movement or the customer order movement should be available, and that brings up the visibility. And this consideration is very important from monitoring the supply chain excellence. Then comes the manufacturer. The manufacturer is actually between customers or demand planning to supplier and supply planning. And that converts material to finished product, and that also seamless information sharing and the process sharing plays an important role, which drives the supply chain excellence. And then in the present scenario, what we see, all businesses are becoming a global business. So materials are coming maybe from different countries, manufactured into different locations in different countries. And finally, the products are going to maybe another different country. So the logistic is playing a very important role. And many a times, because there are so many different agencies or parameters are involved, it's becoming more challenging to get the information and monitor those process material flow at a various location. So these are the few considerations which you should really keep this in mind while maintaining and achieving the supply chain excellence. Hope I've been able to give you a brief overview. If you need more further information, please do contact us. We will definitely help you to achieve supply excellence, what you have in mind. Do write to us about your suggestions. Share this with your team members so that you all build up a same matching vision. Subscribe our channel so you will always get updated new information about these various new technologies and terminologies and new concepts which are going to come up. Here is our contact information. Thank you. Bye.